I'm speaking this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Hang on first. Okay, so let's introduce ourselves. My name is Teacher Cindy. What is your name? Hello, Chom. How old are you? How are you today? Yes, very good. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. And look at the teacher. Okay, great. Okay, Chom, what is this? Okay, good job. Okay, if teacher asks you what is it, you say it's a pen, it's a razor. Are you ready? What is it? Okay, what is it? Okay, what is it? Yes, very good job. Okay, what is it? Yeah, very good. Right. Okay, so you tell me, for example, is, what is it? Is a book. It isn't yes, very good. How about this one? It's it isn't chair. Very good. How about this one? It's a okay. It isn't. What is it? It isn't a book. Yes, very good job. Okay, good. Okay, what shape is it? Okay. Very good.
Rectangle.
Yay! Good job. Okay, teacher asked you to say, what is it? Yes, it is. What is it? Yes. What is it? Yes, very good. Okay, teacher asked you, is it a circle? Yes. Is it a triangle? Is it a triangle? Is it a square? Yes, very good. Okay, what is this? Chalk. Yarn. Yes, very good. Okay, so you will say this is paint, this is yarn. Okay, ready? What's this? What's this? What's this? Wow, very good job. High five. Okay, what color is it?
Red, yellow, blue, white, black.
Okay, good. Okay, teacher asked you what color is it. You say it's red, it's yellow, it's blue. Ready? What color is it?
It's red, it's yellow, it's blue, it's white, it's black.
Good job. Yes. Okay, again. What color is it?
Green, purple, orange, pink, gray, brown.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's mix the color. Say blue, for example, blue.
And yellow, matte green.
Very good. How about this one?
Red and blue, matte purple.
Oh, very good. How about this one?
Yellow and red, matte orange.
Yes, very good. Okay, last one. What's that?
White, red,
Oh,
black,